Hi everyone, I'm Maggie, and today I've got a Procreate DIY label tutorial for all of you. Let's dive right in. To begin with, import your PNG label format from your photos, ensuring the background is transparent. Next, create a new layer and import your favorite PNG image, scaling it to fit just right. Remember to keep these two images on separate layers. Then create another layer. Use the rectangular selection tool to mark the size and position you want, and fill it with your preferred color. Move this layer to the top to ensure it doesn't overlap with the color section. You can also use a straight line to separate the red and white colors. Voila! Your first label design is done. Next, to save time, let's duplicate it and fill all the empty labels. Group all the elements of the first label by swiping left and selecting Duplicate to copy it into the second box. Make sure you've got snapping and magnetics turned on for the easy alignment while duplicating. For clarity, let's rename the second group to 2 and the first group to 1. Change the color of group 2 to blue. Now, select both Group 1 and Group 2 and create a new combination, Group 1 plus 2. Repeat this, duplicating the new group and sliding down to copy two labels simultaneously. Creating group isn't the only way to replicate. It just makes it easier to tweak elements when needed. The second method involves merge all the labels together so that we can replicate layers in a single layer. Now we can duplicate 4 labels at once. Just remember to periodically check your layers to avoid combining unnecessary layers. If you are not satisfied with colors, feel free to adjust them at any time. Deleting unwanted labels is also simple. Use the rectangular selection tool to box in what you want to remove, and then move it outside the canvas. Then repeat the duplicating process. Now let's talk about transparency. Usually, the transparent part defaults to the background color, but you can adjust it to your liking. Let me quickly demonstrate that. Finally, we are on to the last step, saving your image. I often get asked about which format to choose, so let's highlight the differences between JPEG and PNG. Let me save these two formats into albums first. Now I import a PNG image. As you can see, PNG format preserves transparent areas and offers lossless compression, resulting in clear images. Then I import the same image in JPEG format. From the layer window, you can see that JPEG doesn't support transparency. This means it retains the default background color when you download the original image. If I change the background color to red, you'll notice the image still keeps the original white background. Additionally, JPEG uses loss compression, which means it sacrifices some image quality to reduce the file size. Briefly summarize. The main difference between PNG and JPEG are that PNG supports transparency while JPEG doesn't. PNG uses lossless compression, while JPEG uses lossy compression. In most cases, the same photo takes up more storage space in PNG formats. Now you must have a better understanding of which formats to choose while downloading your image. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you in next one.